Kat arterik uni ubnai daman ko kesengi wosa kenmo ya ke East Jaiñtia Hills District. Hei wada yo wai ya ke madan watip kam ke East Jaiñtia District Sports Association Artificial Grass Football Ground. Hadin cenderum wada cena hei lut wa ar poin san klur wada yo na ke District Mineral Foundation Trust. Hagani ke yalang umontri ke sorkar waman le UMLA ke thain ukar menshalla daman ukamu kongsan kadwa u Deputy Commissioner ke East Jaiñtia Hills District u Abilash Baranwal daman ukamu sembut kongsan. Niliang u wahe cenong ke din cenderum u welbet nong tudu waman le kamu sekretari ke District Sports Association dakhanau wa yakani ke madan da sedang ikre da ukor simply we dependep wan yaka da UMLA wakat ni ke kleriat ukar menshalla. Niliang ubaran wal hawi ye kelam da ongu keni kemadan to kat kam wa angnut ki pajba ka distring we da khanau ye ka perom he wa kam man sedang uchna ye keni kemadan we ye lai luti wo kre nadu wasdang. Niliang ukur menshalla hawi ye kelam da ongu wa ilai luti ki wehe da ye wo penman ye keni kemadan hadu wa man go kani. De ikuble u yawarok ki wahe haki snem wadalai wo yarap poisa wo lai ye le bol haki chnong wo pher kam tam ki chnong wajengai chu de yaro ule ya DC wada kre chitom wo pentikna wada chna penmiet ye kani kemadan hagani kesengi da sam le ye ki khusnam chiki klor ye le ki na ka district we da penpho ye ka da ichat wai ruai dapan manle ya gele bol wa nyngkong hagani kemadan haperdi ki wa mikmat pajba kam ki MLA ki MDC wa ki wa he chnong wa ki dakhot ke East Jaiñtia District Sports Association hei wa da job ki MLA wa ki MDC da ki chut penalty
jadi kemudian ajing sedang wajing bukut MLA ajing sedang do sedang naupa pengkut naukon iki wa kamte ajing sedang ini keni kat khao keni kemudian wa yo longba yang wakha kor simpli wa esyo ha saka asison ini kor wa derim hewa katni yo wan pendep lau ukon yang waman kamu lokal MLA dah ini yang kesenang di bawah senam wa de yo di power the league senam wa de yo ti hewa wakha kisupli le esyo ha wa de yang kesenang le esyo ha yang ni ka thao ha hewa pensna ko to betene lagi power senam wa de yo ti ki wa he wa sian lagi kam nu mai umiat kani kemadan handrai mon poi hau ni UMLA wa dak semrang sia wa da chena chenai engineer kam yang ke distrik wa da penyo i kami da kublai pun yau local MLA wa da penyo ini.
I only want to share the story of how this artificial turf ring was realized. So the matter goes back to around 5-6 months back when I visited Nyngkong. I was there at Burning Heart. Kirman sir was returning from Delhi, so he stopped by. He met us in the evening, and during the course of discussion, he informed everyone that how he kind of feel let down by his colleagues, that despite being promised, East Jaiñtia Hills has never got an artificial turf. It's a football crazy district, so he was saying that, and I actually could feel that he was actually pained by this, that despite promise karne ke bawajood, the artificial turf never came into the district. And then during the course of discussion, he said something like, if we could have done it from our own resources, because I want to show to the government that we are self-dependent. We do not need anyone else. Then I came to the district. So first of all, thank you, sir, for having that moment where it kind of worked as the trigger, where it worked as the catalyst, which when I came back, I discussed with my ADC, Jonathan Shella. ADC Jonathan Shella is not here with us today because he is in Shillong attending an election training. But then I'll use this speech to kind of pay credits to all the people who have been actively involved in this. So Jonathan Shella, my ADC, he's the most wonderful officer that I've worked with. So although he's not with us here today, but then I discussed the idea with him, and then I went to India Mart, and then we were actively involved in trying to look for the best contractor within our limited resources. And then we realized that this turf would cost us around 2 to 2.5 crores kind of thing. And then from DMF we don't have that kind of money. So again, I went to Kidman sir, I asked him, sir, would it be possible for you to give some financial help? And then he was more than happy with that. So as you all know, he also contributed around 20 lakhs to the DMF for artificial turf project.
Now, kumpo on. Untuk hang te kemudian opposite yang ni sorok kita silian, em kemudian gobiat pan natural grass ki hete yelek kegi. Next kisi cisen kumpo yang itu por penhuni mesin yang ah. Hawa kerta yang upa jan perdi yang pibon ki betip. Wo katen rup tam dona nyau pau. Wa kebensen ke yang ne da kunru yang kisi cisen. Wa you ha perdi madam upa lai be bol. Lalito wacak galat em kete ke wish wa you grand yang citizen ni jing upelai ki president wa kwa yo pa yang aman kam football player wa yelek ke di madam tang sao siwang ke por em bi wa roi bi pa sao ke men wang wa de jing maya yang pi ya ke district yang i ne hadut next ki wa em kut lenem em link Nilainya kita buat kita buat dengan association. Wakidang kemugi pertuk yang pi, wa AP kecirap ni bentar yang kita kendau hawa pemain yang football ground.
Flexible.